Hi, Ben here and welcome back to another Work in Progress Wednesday. We were away last week, so you might have missed us, you might not. Hopefully you did miss us. But we're back in the workshop this week and we've got lots of things to finish off for Christmas orders and things like that. So priority for me today is I've got a few blades prepared and I've got a few handle scales ready. All I've got to do now is I've got to do the counter bores and get these taped up ready for glue up. So I've got 4 Ed Stafford signature knives to finish off with some really nice desert ironwood. And you can see that's what I love about this desert ironwood. You get a real variety of colour and grain in it. And while those are drying, I've just finished putting the final edge on this finished Ed Stafford signature knife. And excitingly, this is the first one that's going off to Brazil. So we've got a real nice bit of desert ironwood on there. Got a razor edge on there, and Lois has made a beautiful right hand Scandi sheath for it, and we've got a matching fire steel on there as well. So that's razor sharp, ready to go. I'll put that in the sheath and then we'll take that upstairs and Lois can package that up nice and securely, ready for its trip over to Brazil.
So Ben's brought the knife upstairs. I then give it another little once over to check everything's in order before I then wrap it up and send it on its way. So I nestle it into the box so it's nice and safe for its long journey. There's a care sheet and a certificate, just so you know what you've got and how to look after it. So I fold those into the lid of the box, like so. Pop the lid on. Make sure there's no rattling so I know it's safe on its way. And then I put a little bit of tissue paper over it just so it makes it a bit more special when you come to unwrap it. Roll it over like that. And then put a little smiley face on because we're so happy they've bought it from us. And they're going to be very happy when they get it, hopefully.
So it's going to be a busy day, lots of things to finish off. We've already got lots of parcels already wrapped up, ready to go. So it's going to be a busy trip to the post office today. Lots of the tools you'll probably notice now are out of stock on our website. We have still got things in stock, but we just are running out of time to be able to get it to you in time for Christmas. So what we've decided to do this year, and we've managed to figure it out, is we've actually added a gift card to our website. So rather than you ordering something and it not get there in time, you can go onto our store, order a gift voucher of whatever value you want, and then you can give that person that gift voucher and they can choose what they want in the new year then. So hopefully that will make it a little bit easier for you, and obviously it will mean that the postman gets a little bit of a lie-in on Christmas morning. But thanks for all the support, thanks for all the Christmas orders and things, and yeah, hope you enjoy the Work in Progress Wednesdays, and we'll see you next time.